During lunchtime, they buy you snacks and stuff.
Where, Lily? Like this way, this way. Oh, wow, how do you know? It's because Daddy knows where it is.
They say there's crumble cookie store there. Crumble cookies store.
We don't
there.
need...
Where was it? Yeah, near Publix.
Yeah, like duh. No, we're not
Don't
going
worry about no goddamn crumble cookies, baby. I'm over here trying to get this shit turned in.
It's so dark. It's about to rain.
Yeah.
The clouds is so dark. Wow, the Starbucks is there. That's new.
There's on the end crumble cookies.
Yeah, I saw it. We'll
But
go
I
there
don't know
one
nobody to be
day.
going to crumble cookies and starfish buttholes or nothing like that. I don't have money to go to those kind of places.
Yeah, you have money.
Not money. I just happen to be holding on to other folks' money right now.
Are you puppy, you dumb boy?
That is broke boy. You wanna see the monster, Lily?
Well, hello. Hi. Hey, got my pinky.
Yeah, it's raining now. That is really thick cloud. You got storm, right? You got hurricane. When was that? Yeah, hurricane.
I mean, there is a tropical storm off the coast.
Nandito tayo maring sa UPS store. May sinasauli yung asawa ko dyan. Na-drive pa talaga kami ng 30 minutes para may maisauli kami. 30 minutes drive para magsauli ng Amazon order. Sa kabilang town ito mga maring. Hindi ito yung pinupuntahan ko lagi pag nag-grocery shopping. Yun, 20 minutes lang yun. Pero dito ay 30 minutes. At dyang banda naman ay nail salon. Nakatry ako dyan noon. Kaya lang mahal. $40 yung nails. Pero hindi ako nagpapa-nails maring kasi masakit siya. Yung nails, nakakanipis siya ng nails ba. Pero maganda yung result. Kaya lang hindi siya para sa akin. Kasi nagiging manipis yung nails ko tapos nagka-crack siya. Hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin siya o nag-crack yung dito ba. Dito. So, pag tumutubo yung yung kuko, ganun pa rin yung nangyayari. Parang may crack siya dito. Mga na yun, matagal na yun maring, mga last year yata yun. Hanggang ngayon nandito pa yung isang linya ng kuko, na-crack siya dyan. Yung nails ko kasi hindi siya makapal. Weak siya ba? May weak nails ako. So, hindi ako nagpapa-nails. Ako na lang yung gumagawa ng kuko sa bahay. Tapos ngayon na nagtrabaho ako sa food service, so hindi na talaga ako makakapag nail polish. Sama ko ang aking alipores. Silang dalawa at si Sir, wala siyang trabaho ngayon. Saturday ngayon. Bukas ay magtatrabaho na siya Monday.
Daddy.
Nandito na siya. Ang aking boss.
Window. Daddy, I'm going to the
Why are you smiling?
Señor,
Daddy,
What's
are we going to the Halloween store now?
it's like a little first aid kit.
Are we going to the Halloween store now? Are we
What?
going to the Halloween store now?
Yeah. There's an ice scraper in there, band-aids, first aid stuff. Electric, a heat blanket.
Oh, there's a heat blanket.
Yeah,
Not so
look.
small. Oh, okay.
It reflects the heat off your body back onto you.
Well, I can put that in the car since I got the kids with me.
In case you'll get caught in the winter storm.
This is what they gave you this year. I gave you money back.
Nah, they're really gonna buy shit.
Yes,
Except you give me the cash value.
Yeah, because if you really appreciate your workers, put some increase or at least more bonus. They just gave you candy.
They open up like 2 months before Halloween.
Oh.
Everyone's there.
I wonder what they're building there.
Yeah.
Spirit Halloween, Lily girl.
Mommy. Huh? It's a... She sees Pomni.
Oh, Pomni, yeah. You want to be Pomni for Halloween?
Yeah. Red is red and...
Let's go. Take it out.
She said,
You need to leave your binky.
Mommy, it smells good.
I don't know.
It smells good. How does it smell?
Get down.
Ow!
Smells good. It smells like...
Flour. No, it smells like food.
Nandito tayo maring sa Spirit Halloween, ang Halloween store nila dito. Kasi nga October na, malapit na ang Halloween. No. You left your phone? You left it there. Oh my God. So, nandito tayo maring sa Halloween store nila. Ayan yung Spirit Halloween. Dito yung bilihan ng mga bata ng mga costume tuwing Halloween season. Dahil ano na ngayon, no? Yung trick-or-treating nila, October 31. So, let's get in here. Oh, it smells. Oh, there's a restaurant there.
So much fun. It's scary. Oh, my God, it's scary.
Oh, it's not. Okay, get in. Garniville.
Gotta go through the carnival.
No.
Let's go get in.
Come on.
Cool. Get in. There's a lot. Come here, Raleigh. Hurry up. Oh my God. Come on. Look at that. No. Down the duck. Ang mahal maring. Oh, tingnan nyo. Art Clown is $199. Actually, $200 na siya. Let's go this way. Oh, look, so cute. Your shoe.
Just please.
Okay, okay.
Tell you so. He'll do more than rock your kid.
You're scared. Get in. Whoa,
Look.
there's mirror.
Why does... Hey, it smells weird. Why does it smell weird?
Let's go this side.
Why does it smell weird? Ew.
Red light.
What is that thing?
Let's go this way. There are
Why?
a lot of people. Look, it's Shrek. You wanna be Shrek for Halloween?
No.
Ah, laka. Ang laki ng gloves. That is so cute.
No, it looks ugly.
Yeah, you wear this one.
No, it looks ugly.
Then what do you want to be in? Halloween? Ang laka. Party pooper. Inflatable. Oh, this one is cute. Look. So cute.
Nope. I want to be princess.
Ang daming costume ring. Iba't ibang
I
costume.
want to be princess.
Magkano kaya ito? How much is this? What? $59. Ito siya maring $59.
I want to be a princess.
She was looking at the little angel,
59 for that.
and it jumps up like this.
Oh, the angel. I think that's Corpse Bride.
No, the little black angel, black wings. Look, take Riley over there, show her. Look, go show mommy the black angel.
I'm just scared.
Okay, give me. Come here.
I'm getting higher. It's not
Go show
on
me.
you.
No, you go now. Lily already done it.
What? Everybody not scared? I'm scared. The Dark Princess?
Oh, Dark Princess. The name is Dark Princess.
Mommy! Mommy,
my
Mr.
God.
Punchy? Mommy, I want to try the bear.
I want to try the bear.
the bear.
Okay, go try the bear. I don't know if it moves. That's... Oh, ito yung bear, Maring. Oh, 279 ang bear. Try it. Do you need to step on it? I don't think... maybe that's just a display.
Do the spider!
Big spider. Oh, so many costumes.
Bro, I want to be a princess. I don't want to be an ugly rat.
You want to be a princess?
Yeah, I don't want to.
This one is
The nun.
nun, priest, and nurse. Oh, that is calling. Let's go. Oh, a big spider. Ang laki ng spider. Meron din sila para sa aso, Maring. Oh. Costume para sa aso.
Riley, come here. Look, bro.
Minion.
Right there. At the
Oh
bottom,
my
the pumpkin.
god. Oh, the pumpkin. That's really cute. Pumpkin.
Oh, Scooby.
Pumpkin costume para sa aso. $19. Lo, so cute. Bagay to sa aso ko, si Chardy. Ganito yung aso ko, Maring. Oh, French Bulldog. So cute.
Lily, come here. Lily, come here.
Hi, Lily.
Lily, come here.
How's
Lily,
Pomni?
there's no circuit.
You wanna be Pomni?
Yeah. It's inside out.
What? That's $50. That is expensive. So expensive. They got Super Mario.
A cane. Wow. Mommy, there's a cane one.
Look, Lily,
What?
you can be Godzilla.
God, Godzilla.
You can be Godzilla. Godzilla.
Look, Morris, you can be an ass.
A donkey.
You could be like a game.
Oh, that's
Be like
cute.
a game player.
That's really cute. Fall Guys.
Wait.
Lily,
There's Squidward.
look,
Squidward.
you can be Squidward.
Super Mario.
And look.
Wow, Luigi. Lang laki naman ito. Ninja Turtle. Grabe, ang daming mga costume, Maring. Alam nyo ba ang mga costume na to? Pag binili mo, isang beses lang yan ginagamit ng mga bata. Isang beses lang talaga, mga 2 hours. Kasi yung Halloween dito, start siya 6 to 8 p.m. So, 2 oras lang talaga. Tapos, ang mahal kaya ng mga costume, Maring, oh. Ito siya, $44. $44.99. Tapos, isang beses lang magagamit. 2 oras pa. Meron silang Minecraft na mask. Ito yung heaven sa mga bata. Ang daming costume. Grabe. So, Pikachu. Pokemon. Meron ding Five Nights at Freddy. Five Nights at Freddy na Wow! Lily! Look, it's Huggy Wuggy.
Huggy Wuggy.
Look, it's Huggy Wuggy.
It's from Poppy Playtime.
Yeah, that's Poppy too.
Oh, that's Boxy Boo.
Oh, that's Boxy Boo.
It pops off the head in the box.
Oh my god. So what do you want to be for Halloween? You want to be Huggy Wuggy?
I want to be a princess.
You want to be a princess?
I want to
Nandito si Marshmallow. Ang daming characters. Hindi ko alam kung saan tong ibang characters na to. Monsters. Beetlejuice. Nandito tayo sa Goodwill Maring. Pipili ako ng mga jackets. Pasok tayo dito. Mas malaki ang Goodwill na to kaysa sa amin. Fine jackets. Meron din silang Halloween costumes. Ang pambata. Oh. $6. Ito tayo sa mga bata.
Mommy.
Yung jackets na rin, oh. Columbia jackets. Pambata is $7. Mas mahal dito, ha? Meron namang Adidas. Adidas jacket. Under Armour jacket. $7.
Down here.
Panlalaki. Under Armour $4. Sobrang daming ukay-ukay maring. Tignan nyo, oh, ang branded pa. Ito siya. Taylor. $5. Meron din dito, oh, yung brand Loft. Loft yung brand. $6. Meron din ditong Old Navy. $4 lang siya. Isang sweater. Dami. Collabora by UGG. UGG siya na jacket. Alam niyo ang mahal ng UGG. Yung mga products nila mga taga $100. $5 lang tumarin. Cute. Cute siya. Ang dami. Ito. Okay, dito tayong banda. Yung bibilin ko, konti lang maring kasi konti lang yung pera ko. Ayan, ang daming mga sweater. Ito, mga sweater, cardigan, ang cute. Moon and Madison. Hala, ang cute nito, oh. So, ayan, daming. Ito din. Loft. Mahal kaya yung Loft? Ang dami kong nakita na Loft. Ito na yung nabili ko maring. Ito na siya lahat. 5 pieces lang yung nabili ko. May nabili akong Old Navy na hoodie at saka Columbia na jacket para sa anak ko. So ayan, yung asawa ko nag-aantay sa labas kaya nagmamadali ako. Kasi baka maubos yung pasensya niya sa kada hintay. May Banana Republic mo rin, oh. Ang mahal ng Banana Republic na brand. Yan, oh. Banana Republic. Isa siyang sweatshirt. $5 na lang siya dito sa Goodwill. Nice. Magbabayad na ako maring. Dahil uwi na kami. Gigutom na ako.
If y'all want to go to Walk the Lowe's and look at the flowers over there, you can for a little bit.
No, I don't wanna go to
No, I don't
Lowe's.
look at the flowers.
Tulog si Sir.
Please, you look at the flowers.
Hmm?
You look at the flowers.
Oh, I don't wanna look because we're not buying flowers right now.
No, we just go look, not buying.
I'm just trying to get some time to get a little quick nap in, bro.
Just wait, babe. Just lay down there for a little
I
bit.
wanna look at the flowers.
Tulog muna si Sir. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang magdadrive kasi inaantok siya. Ayaw naman niya.
Hey, we'll look at the flowers later, okay?
So, nandyan yung Goodwill, Maring. Ang daming mga damit doon. Pero I would say, mas malinis yung pinupuntahan ko doon na malapit sa amin. Mas malinis yung Goodwill doon. Although, maliit lang yung selection. Pero, madaming medyo bago doon. Dito, dito yung mga sapatos, hindi na yan nilalabhan. So, kung ano yung na-receive nila, yun na talaga yung i-display. Yung mga sapatos, may mga mud yung iba, madumi yung iba. Ang daming mga nagpumipili doon. Medyo mahal lang yung iba, mga iba, $7.99 yung isa. Pero yung pinili ko mga ano lang, tag $5. Diyan naman yung drop off, Maring. Kung may idodonate ka na items, ida-drop off mo lang dyan. Oh. Yung mga items na nandyan sa Goodwill ay mga donation. Mga donation. Tapos binibenta ng Goodwill. Tapos napupunta daw sa charity yung ano niyan, mga halin. Yung sales. Di ko alam kung napunta ba talaga sa mga charities or anong foundation nila dyan. Basta yung mga display dyan ay galing sa mga tao na nagdo-donate. Minsan kami, pag may mga gamit na hindi na kami ginagamit sa bahay, dinadrop off din namin dyan sa Goodwill. Nagdo-donate tapos nag-uukay din ako sa Goodwill. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking naukay. Ang sama na akong kamera. Sweater. From Kim Rogers sweater, $5.29. Ang ganda. Pakya siya sa akin. Tapos, meron ding Under Armour hoodie. Under Armour siya. $7.99. Medyo mahal yung hoodies nila. Yun. Tapos yung sweater, $5 Nike sweater. Babe! What in the world? Columbia jacket. And siya, $7.99. Jacket. At sweater, ang brand niya ay Loft. $6.99. Ang ganda. Kasya sa akin. Diba? Medyo malaki lang siya. At ito naman yung binili ko para sa anak ko, Old Navy na hoodie. Ang liit. Ayan siya. $4.99. $4. Labhan ko muna yung mga damit. Tsaka ko display. Ngayon naman kikain kami, Maring. Hindi na kami bumili sa restaurant kasi alam mo na, tipid-tipid tayo. Ito yung kakainin namin. Nagluto ako kahapon ng barbecue pulled pork. Tignan nyo, Maring, oh. Sarap! So, gagawa na lang kami ng barbecue sandwich. Pang, lunch. Lunch or dinner na yata to.
She ran kid on there.
This is really salty. You like it?
I love that.
You like it? Nagluto din ako ng mac and cheese na may ham. Kaso yung ham dito, maalat. Hindi ko alam na napakaalat pala. So, nilagyan ko pa ng asin. Kaya ayun, maalat. Iinitan ko to mga Maring. Ito yung ating lunch today. Ganyan yan sila lagi naglalaro.
Oh, did you show mommy your tooth?
Maingay talaga yung bahay namin, mga maring.
That one is not that loose, but that one is like wiggling.
What are we gonna do?
You gonna hold her hand?
You need to remove your teeth. And you
Mommy,
need
go
to
hold
brush
your
your
hand, okay?
teeth.
I tried to pull it in the car, but
Tatanggalin namin yung kanyang ngipin.
she was at a weird angle. Do it
Si
like
Sir
this,
yung
but push on the
tagatanggal ng
thumb.
ngipin ng mga bata.
I got like before.
Okay.
All right, open mouth. Got all the dry stuff. Don't tighten your lips.
Can Lily hold my other hand?
Yeah, Lily, hold her other hand.
I don't think it's ready.
No, this is super loose.
You're next, Lily.
No.
Don't close your mouth.
I think you need a thread, though. Sewing thread.
I'm trying to dry it off. I'm not. Calm down. It's super dry. It's ready now. Mike.
You got it? Oh, that was quick. There you go. Here's your teeth. It's okay.
That little sound you heard. Here, hold it up. Bite again.
It has a little bit of blood on it.
Yeah, it's gonna bleed. when you pull it.
Success. Here's your teeth. I will give her a tooth fairy.
There you go. That one's gone.
In the United States, autumn begins on Sunday, September 22nd.
Oh, next week is fall.
We got fall break.
Yeah, October 14 is the fall break.
And here's more related to that.
Tapos na kaming kumain, Marie. Ngayon ay magluto ako ng chocolate chip cookies. Ready-made na siya na dough. Bake mo lang siya sa oven. Yun na.
Oven.
Oven.
Open. Oven.
12 only. 12 cookies only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 24. 24 pieces.
Another was.
So, we will bake it for
350.
12 minutes. Ano siya? Dough. Square yung shape niya, pero pag naluto ito maring magiging circle. Make sure you wash your hands.
I did.
This is gonna be really sweet. Full of sugar.
Okay. This was so good.
It's 8 p.m. Maring. Nagluto na ako ng dinner. Actually, ayaw na nilang kumain ng dinner kasi busog sila. So, ito, para bukas na lang ito, Maring. Ito yung ground beef na may mga sinahugan ko ng mga vegetables. Tapos, meron din ako dyang nilagang itlog. Bukas magtatrabaho na ako. So, para bukas na lang ito, para pag uwi ko, hindi na ako magluluto. Kasi alam niyo yung pagod ka sa trabaho, tapos pagdating mo sa bahay, magluluto pa. Ay, nakakapagod na rin. Kaya ito na lang. Although kung nagluluto ako, umaabot naman talaga ng 2 or 3 araw. At hindi talaga ako nagluluto kapag hindi na ubos yung leftover. So, ito siya. Yung asawa ko bukas ay nandito siya sa bahay. Tuesday pa yung trabaho niya. So, hindi siya magugutom sa bahay. May pagkain siya. At dadalhin niya yung anak ko bukas sa doktor kasi papacheck up ang kanyang tenga kasi sumasakit na pula. Mapula yung loob ng tenga. So, papacheck up niya bukas. Habang ako'y nasa trabaho. Timing din na wala siyang trabaho bukas. Ayan, Maring. Masarap nito. Kailan siguro ako nung maliit. Tapos the rest, ikip ko para bukas. So, ayan Maring, see you next time sa aking vlog. Ingat kayo dyan lagi. Maraming salamat sa pag-support nyo sa aking vlog. Sana ay mag-grow pa ang aking YouTube. Sige Maring, bye-bye.